Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find wallet address on Bitpanda. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch the app and sign in with your account credentials, including 2FA if required. At the bottom of the home screen, go ahead and tap on Trade, the Trade button from the icons at the bottom. Once you tap on Trade, you're going to see a couple of icons here: Deposit, Withdraw, Send, Stake, Savings Plan. So go ahead and select Deposit. You will need to verify your accounts before you proceed to the next step. I can't verify my accounts because of setting restrictions. But once you're done past the verification process, once you click on deposits, it's going to take you to a window where you will see a list. So from the list, all you need to do is to pick the crypto you want, like Bitcoin or USDC. If it's not visible, search for it in the asset search field. Some assets support multiple networks, example USDC on Ethereum or Polygon. Be sure to choose the correct network. Incorrect selection equals permanent loss. Then tap Show Wallet Address or similar. The app will display your receiving address and if required, a memo or tag. Then tap Copy Address or use the QR code option to share it. Some versions let you label and save the address as a payee or contact for future convenience. Double check. Of course, you need to double check ensure that you have correct network and memo or tag. Ensure that the correct network and memo or tag are visible and match what the sending platform requires. Are you going through some mistag issues, or do you find issue with mistag? It could mean lost funds. So go ahead, never skip it. Ensure that you never skip it. Alright, so that's it. So do you want to grab your BTC or USDC address in Bitpanda? Here is exactly how to do that in 5 taps. Alright, so tap copy. It's now securely in your clipboard. That's it. Always check the network and tag before pasting it in another app. And got it. You're ready to bring crypto into Bitpanda. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.